I get these guys all the time. Rare to see one on this tree though. He hasn't seen me yet. There.
Filming the pileated.
Yeah, he's on this tree. I don't see him on this one very often.
Because that one is relatively healthy.
Yeah.
Now that we kept it from getting choked to death.
Yeah. Mostly I just see the squirrels on this tree.
Mm-hmm. He's just making sure there's nothing to peck.
Yeah.
There's a squirrel right below you too.
Yeah. The squirrels they go from the fence to the tree all day long.
Mm-hmm.
I can hear. Did you put peanuts out there? Because I can hear that.
I did.
Peanut feeder smacking.
I love that sound.
Closed.
It's even better when you have a... Yeah, ooh, that's a nice shot.
Check out the tree.
You can't see me.
There's squirrels below me.
He is right below you.
I can't guess. I don't see him.
It's because he's all the way up against the house.
Pileated could be all the way up the tree by now.
I know. I don't know where he is. Oh,
There he is.
peekaboo.
There he is. They make a lot of noise. That's a pretty big one. Mostly just see the squirrels out here all day long.
He ran back up against the house.
House, yeah.
It's like he's camera shy. Hop, hop, hop.
I had to rename the playlist from deer to wildlife.
Yep.
Hard to see because I got the glare.
Because your window is clean.
Yeah. See that vine we cut on that tree a couple years ago? It really started to go away now.
Mm-hmm.
Some type of ivy. Could have been poison ivy actually, because it did have a furry root on it in the wintertime. I think that's a poison ivy.
Yeah, we killed it.
Oh, we definitely killed it.
He's literally going and picking like individual bugs and ants off.
Yeah.
Probably stuff that's living in the ivy.
I'm zoomed all the way in. Cool birds. Unless they get on your house or your deck. We have carpenter bees around here and they go after them. I don't know if they sense their heat or what, but they always know where they are. he goes. Came back with his friend.
Oh, hi.
They have both of them out there now.
Male and the female.
Oh, they're on the fence.
One is. So the one with the red mustache, I believe, is the male. Actually, there's two red mustaches. They must be buddies.
I always see them in pairs, so definitely doing something along the fence. You can kind of see our squirrel feeder way down there on one of those posts to the right of the tree, the second post to the right. That's our little squirrel feeder. We put peanuts in it. Try to discourage them from going for the bird feeders. It doesn't really work. You just hear it opening and closing all day long.
Yes, the one with the red mustaches are males.
Gotcha.
And if they don't have the red on their mustache, it's just black, it's a female. Oh, I thought.
Those two males then?
Yeah. Buds haven't broken up yet for mating season.